Hey everyone, it's Adanikan here. Today, we're diving into the incredible health benefits of clove and clove tea. We're going to explore all the ways clove tea can transform your health, from boosting your immune system to even potentially helping with blood sugar. So grab your favorite mug, get comfy, and let's brew up some knowledge about the amazing benefits of clove tea. First up, let's talk about antioxidants. Cloves are absolutely loaded with antioxidants, which means adding clove tea to your routine can be a delicious way to support your body's defenses against things like heart disease and even certain cancers. Think of free radicals as little troublemakers running around in your body, causing inflammation and damaging cells. Antioxidants are like the cleanup crew, neutralizing those troublemakers and keeping things running smoothly. So, by sipping on some clove tea, you're essentially giving your body an army of antioxidants to fight those battles and keep you healthy in the long run. So stick around because you don't want to miss these life-changing nutrition tips. Before we get started, I'd love to know where you're joining me from today. Drop a comment below and feel free to ask any questions you have. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a health boosting tip from healthcare. Now, let's talk about digestion. Clove tea can be your new best friend. Cloves have this amazing ability to stimulate digestive enzymes, which basically means they help your body break down food more efficiently. This can be a game changer for anyone struggling with digestive discomfort. Cloves have traditionally been used to relieve nausea and vomiting, and some research even suggests they could help with stomach ulcers thanks to their antimicrobial properties. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your digestive system, look no further than clove tea. Let's face it, pain is no fun. Cloves contain a powerful compound called eugenol, which acts as a natural pain reliever. In fact, eugenol is so effective that it's actually used in some dental treatments. But eugenol's talents don't stop there. It's also a potent anti-inflammatory, which means it can help calm down inflammation throughout the body. So clove tea isn't just a tasty beverage. It's like a natural pain relief and anti-inflammatory superhero in a mug. We're all about strengthening that immune system, especially during cold and flu season, right? Well, clove tea can be your secret weapon. Cloves are known for their antimicrobial and antiviral properties, which means they can help your body fight off those pesky germs that are always trying to bring you down. Think of cloves as the guardians of your immune system, standing strong against invading bacteria and viruses. Cloves also contain vitamin C, another immune-boosting superstar. So, next time you feel a cold coming on, reach for a warm mug of clove tea. Now, this next benefit is especially important for those of us who are watching our blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that cloves may actually help improve insulin sensitivity. What does that mean? It means that your body can use insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar. This is huge news, especially for people with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Imagine having a delicious, natural way to support healthy blood sugar levels. That's the potential power of clove tea. Your liver is like a superhero, working tirelessly to detoxify your body and keep everything running smoothly. But sometimes it needs a little extra support, and that's where clove tea comes in. Eugenol has been shown to help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and oxidative stress. It's like giving your liver a protective shield against the daily grind. So, if you're looking for a natural way to show your liver some love, add clove tea to your routine. Having trouble with a cough, congestion, or a sore throat? Clove tea to the rescue. Cloves have long been used as a natural expectorant, which means they can help loosen phlegm and make it easier to cough up. Those anti-inflammatory properties we talked about? They come in handy here 2. Helping to soothe irritated throats and ease the discomfort of respiratory issues. So, next time you're feeling under the weather, brew yourself a cup of clove tea. We all want strong, healthy bones, right? Well, clove tea can lend a helping hand. Cloves are a surprising source of manganese, a mineral that plays a crucial role in bone health. Manganese helps your body build bone tissue and maintain bone density, which is essential as we age. By enjoying clove tea regularly, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're investing in the long-term health of your bones. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the antimicrobial and antifungal powers of cloves. Cloves are like nature's tiny warriors, effectively fighting off harmful bacteria like E. coli and even fungi like Candida. This means that clove tea can be a valuable ally in supporting your overall health by helping to keep these harmful microbes in check. So, whether you're sipping it for its flavor or its health benefits, clove tea is a delicious and natural way to support your well-being from the inside out. And there you have it, the amazing health benefits of clove and clove tea. Don't forget to try making your own clove tea at home. In the next video, I'll share my favorite clove tea recipe with you all so you can experience these incredible benefits firsthand. Remember, taking care of your health is a journey, and incorporating natural remedies like clove tea can make that journey tastier and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit the like button. It really helps us bring you more valuable content. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts, questions, or what topic you'd like us to cover next. We love hearing from you. Of course, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health tips and insights. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.